Ooh, I love when you get those little ones. Like when they are just coming out.
They're like, good morning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're in there.
Are they just not out and about yet for the day because it's so cold?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
Watch out now, Jason.
So we're just
over on that side.
I'm gonna need that frame tool.
You're supposed to leave the paper on that pound thing? Like
Yeah. I should that after the fact. Okay.
Yeah, they're making comb up on top. Oh, look at that honey.
I know.
Right there.
Oh,
you
yeah.
See that?
Get a close up of it. It's crazy.
I'm getting super close.
See, but I feel like I've read that these are swarm cells. See those big holes like in between? That's what I was nervous about last time. We gotta try to find the queen. We'll fill their water after. Later.
Look at that little bee.
What a little bee. Oh, that has some honeycombs on it.
Oh, wait, you're squishing bees.
I know, but I gotta move the trap. See, like, is that what those are supposed to look like?
Yeah.
Any queen there? Yeah, they didn't have anything on this one.
Yeah, I think they're doing that right. There's not much we can really do now at this point.
Yeah, they had not done any of this.
Yeah, that looks like...
That looks new and good. You see it, Jason?
Yep.
Do you see any signs of a queen on there?
Just don't see any eggs.
I know lava.
Calm down, baby. Yeah, that's all honey there.
I know.
You got that good on camera?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'd really like to see some babies. Let's see. This one is heavy, this frame.
Mm-hmm. Oh, but see how they're doing that on the bottom? I feel like that's not right.
Mm-hmm. It's not. So we definitely need to get that other deep.
Any sign of a queen?
So should we scrape that off the bottom?
I don't know.
I feel like now it's
Honey's
cold
just, like,
and now
oozing.
earthquake.
Hmm?
It said honey was just like oozing out of there. Holy crap. I just don't see anything that would resemble a queen.
Mm-mm.
Nope. That's a lot of bees. was hanging on.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one on my thumb.
Like, that seems like there's got to be more bees than when we started.
Is there larvae in these ones? It's hard to tell. I don't know if it's just the glow of the honey or if it's a larva in there.
One bee's upside down.
I do feel like a lot of the bees look small. Like maybe there's a hatch that we had. I don't know.
Yeah.
What's a hatch?
Like when they hatch from the eggs. You want to smoke them a little bit? They're getting really
I will after this one.
flyy.
Oh yeah, we got babies.
Where?
Yes!
Yeah, come over here.
Yeah.
So maybe the queen's on this one.
Oh yeah, we can definitely got babies.
Where? This one.
If you come over my right shoulder and you look in the cells, there's a little white dot.
I don't see the little...
Yeah, it's hard to see. Just focus on the camera. If you look in the cells, they're covering them good now. They're all over though. Yeah, every white cell has a little white dot right in the middle.
I trust you.
That's
See
good.
anything?
Smoke them. I try to smoke.
Just don't get too close. You can't. The further away you are, the better. You press real gentle. See how when you do it, they retreat in. Anything else we need to do? I'll put there.
Now there two?
Look good over there.
Yep.
Find it.
There they are.
All right, I think we're good.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any bees on me?
No
We'll
bees
brush
on
them
it.
off when we get closer.
All right, I'm just gonna clean up.
I'm just going to calm down just a little bit.
Well, that's good. I'm glad we seen the eggs.
Yeah.
I was wondering if